Quick install video of the BerleyPro VISOR for the Lowrance unit. Pretty straightforward instructions. You remove the plastic caps here at the end that expose where you can put the screws in here. These 4 posts. This fits behind it like that, and you just put the screws in. So we'll do that right now. The screw set is so tiny. If you have big manly hands, you'll probably have a problem. Okay, so like I was saying before, fairly easy to install. It's just these screws, nuts and washers are so tiny that they're hard to work with, hard to keep in place. You won't be able to screw them in tight enough by hand, so maybe getting a little wrench to hold the nut while you screw it in would help. So I'm going to take this out to the water and give it a test and see if it works. Alright, this is the on-water review of the BerleyPro VISOR. Fairly easy to install, although the hardware is small, so take that into account. Other than that, it's sunny as you can see. I'm not having an issue with any sun glare, so I'm really happy with it so far. So if you're in the market for a visor, check out the BerleyPro. I'll see ya. Bye.